ntunakira ku macha natwa mbagenda kujjako mu 7 natwa president 7 tajja kulayira n'alayira omunaga president 7 tajja kufuga n'afuga nagambo naye muzirambu is a freedom fighter okani igwanga linani aliroga muzimu gwobote oba muzimu gwobote gwe gutusombola. We have stopped reasoning. This country has lost judgment on who is a freedom fighter and a masquerader. That's solo issue. Mubonye nyaba na Uganda. Temukyalowooza. Nabagamba muzibula amaaso. Mulaba abali ennusu. N'abatu ne maama. Nze ekyokwambala gomesi kyekyannomya omutwe. Kale bandizo okulaba President Museveni naye gomesi. That's how low we are. Omubaka NMP nagenda kugalira yakendi nagula gomesi. Nagula ne wivu. Nayingira State House kiro samuka. Ne opposition nze nabavaako. Musigalenga muzambala. Sibayinaako buzibu. People, there are things you look at in this country. Nolianga no mutwe gukuluma. There are things you can't imagine. That a member of parliament can weigh a Gomez. Netika ko nilipushaina. Na ingira State House. Abantu bakala. Kati enkondo bwezikutega. Kati oboli nyamadala ga State House enkondo nezikutega n'omenyeka. Chibinyo. Chibidala. Chikwase nako. Nere sibintu bya kusekeramu bayiza we mwabaseka. These are serious stuff. People have lost lives. People's children are in prisons over one thing. Mbu struggle. My fellow youth, mubavubuka abandaba. Ever since I came on media, I've been telling you, twalimbibwa. There was no struggle at all. People were looking for jobs. People were looking for positions. People were looking for money. But the fact is, and the reality is, there is no opposition in this country. You are going to die for nothing. The time of liberation has not yet come. In life, always know when to fight and not to fight. That's the difference between good and bad generals.